In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo shrink in Elementor's sticky header, all within just about 5 minutes. If you're looking to enhance your website's navigation by adding a stylish touch, shrinking your logo as you scroll can be a great way to do it. So let's get started with the steps to achieve this effect. First, you'll need access to your WordPress website. Head over to your website's WordPress login page and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub where you can access all the tools and features needed to customize your site. Next, locate and click on the Elementor option in the dashboard sidebar. Elementor is a powerful page builder that offers you creative control over the design of your site, making it an ideal choice for this task. Once you are in Elementor, you'll need to find the specific page you wish to edit. Navigate through your list of pages and select the one where you want to apply the shrinking logo effect. Once you're editing the desired page with Elementor, look for the section where your current header is configured. You might need to scroll or search for it if you have a lengthy page. When you've found the header, you'll typically see an option to edit it. Click on Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor for that section. Your edit mode is now active, enabling you to start customizing. Now in the editor environment, you will need a feature called a shortcode. If you don't have this feature already activated, you might see a prompt suggesting that you upgrade. However, if you do have access, you can simply search for the shortcode widget from Elementor's sidebar. Drag this widget into your header section that contains the logo. Once your shortcode is in place, navigate to the Advanced tab in Elementor. This tab houses several options for further customization. Scroll down and you'll find the sticky option. This is the feature we're going to utilize. The sticky function allows parts of your page to remain visible as users scroll down. In the sticky settings, find the adjustment section for logo dimensions. Here you can specify how much smaller you want your logo to become when scrolling occurs. The key is to set a size that's smaller than the original but still retains visibility and branding. With your settings adjusted and everything in place, make sure to preview your changes. This step ensures everything looks exactly how you envisioned before hitting publish. If you need further tweaks, return to the respective settings to make necessary modifications. And there you have it, you've now successfully made your logo shrink in your Elementor sticky header, providing a sleek, professional appearance that enhances your site's navigation. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.